If you want to level up your wash and go from this to this, keep watching. So I'm ready to create a different style, and I'm going to do an experiment that involves some clips, some satin scrunchies, some satin scarves, and some leave-in lotion. I happen to be using this Luscious Lotus leave-in lotion. So I'm gonna do some heatless waves on my Naturally Curly wash and go. And usually on the heatless waves, you see people using the big satin, like it looks like a big flexi rod. I'm not gonna use that. I'm just gonna use my scarves here because I have the flexi rod. It's not a big one. I have several, but I don't want to do that. I want to experiment. I know flexi rod sets work, but I want to try this. So the way this is gonna work, I'm gonna section my hair from ear to ear all the way down, and this front half I'm gonna wrap around this scarf, and the back half I'm also gonna wrap around, but I'm gonna use this other scarf. They look the same, but they're different. One's thicker and one's thinner. The satin scrunchies, I think I'm gonna put at the end of them to secure it on. I don't know, we'll see how that goes. But anyway, so here we go. So I'm going in, as I said, with the two scarves, and I'm clipping the middle of the scarf to the top of my head, and I'm adding just a little bit of leave-in lotion to my hair. I'm rubbing it in my hands, and I'm not smoothing the leave-in lotion on my hair. I'm just scrunching it into my hair. So starting with the back, I am going with one side of the scarf and wrapping around my hair with the scarf, just like I'm doing a twist. And I'm going to do that on both sides, and I'm going to use the scrunchie at the end to secure it to the end of the scarf. So now we're going to do the same thing for the front half of my hair, using the leave-in lotion and just squeezing it into my hair, and then taking section by section with the satin scarf and using it as a twist. I'm using it as another piece of hair to make a twist. I'm going to do that the same on both sides. And so now I have 4 ponytails. Fingers crossed. And of course, protecting it at night so that everything can stay in place. Let's see what we're working with this morning. So I have wrapped the back of my hair in this scarf and the front of my hair in this scarf. Taking out these clips almost makes it totally come out. So let's just unwrap it. It's kind of more section by section. And then this one. It's also section by section. I should probably add a little bit of serum to my fingers. And this one I actually had scrunchies on. And I love it. So here, this crunchy on this end fell off. And since this is satin, I can probably just pull it out. Yep. So now my style is a bit wavy and stretched. This is cool. Let's do this first. Afterwards, I like it. Waves on my wash and go. Oh yeah, this is a keeper. Now I'm looking to flip. Always looking for a flip. I was able to flip it. I was able to fluff it. And I love it. I love it.